Hey, my loves. Yes, I'm back. I know it's been a long time, but today I'm coming back and I'm going to show you how to do some nice soup. It has some chicken, pork, plantains, potatoes. It's just really, really good, guys. Stay tuned and I'll be back. Yes, guys. So I'm so excited because today my video is being sponsored by Epic Water Filters. So, guys, let's get started. We have some bay leaves, some sliced cucumber, some carrots, some potatoes. We have some mushrooms, which I had, which was some frozen mushrooms. And we have some beautiful string beans. You know where my head's at. That was some spinach. Okay. And I have some ginger. I love adding ginger to my soup. There's something about that. It's magical. You just need it. Trust me. So we have some onion powder. We have some seasoning here, which is some garlic, black pepper, sea salt, and onion. We have some cilantro, lime seasoning. But what any herbs wherever you have, some paprika, and I have some black pepper. All right. Now we are going to go into our sazon, our sofrito. This is our seasoning base for our food. Okay. Now I got some frozen peas. I got some string beans. Now I also have some chopped onions, celery, sweet peppers, garlic, poblano peppers, anything I could find in my fridge. And I also have some plantains, and we have some tomato salsa that was left over. I'm going to clean off my meats. All right. So in here I have some pork. I have my chicken drum sticks. Also trying to sneak some chicken feet up in here, but well, my friend was like, no, she feels like I just wasted my time preparing this. So unfortunately, I had to take it out. I was a little like, oh, girl. But, but anyway, let's get back to this. So we're cleaning our chicken with some lemon vinegar, okay? Cutting off anything that doesn't look appealing in our chicken. And I'm also going to boil some water. This is a technique that we use in Haiti. It's called chaude, where we're basically taking off any excess remnants of bacteria or what have you, okay? And this was especially used, especially when they didn't have refrigeration back then. And I just think it just makes your food fresher. All right, so I'm going to leave that in there for about a minute or so. And now we're going to drain that water, and we are squeezing in some fresh lime juice. Okay, and that lime juice is just going to add some nice brightness to our meat. I'm going to add my sazon, aka sofrito. Okay, this I also have videos on how to make that. And we're going to add our season, which is our paprika, cilantro chili, cilantro lime, onion powder, garlic, paprika. Listen, it's a party up in here. It's a party up in here. And now we're just going to mix all that together. I'm going to use a spoon to do that. Okay. And we're going to get all those flavors in. Now, guys, if you want, I'm going to put this straight on the stove, okay? But what you could do, if you want, you could do this in advance and marinate your meats, put it in the fridge, and when it's time to get cooking, you could take it out. But we're not doing all that, okay? So as you can see, I'm pulling out my chicken feet. She wasn't trying to have it. My friend was not trying to hear it. No matter how hard I try to convince her, be like, girl, chicken feet is so good. Some of y'all might be like, ew, but anyway. So, guys, I got some oil in this pot here, and I'm adding a little sugar to it. And that sugar is going to add that caramelized color to our meat. Okay, that's another great technique that's nicely used in the Caribbean. Okay, so I just want to add some color to my chicken, to my pork. Okay, And I got this temperature up on high. So we're just going to get some color on this bad boy here. Okay. And my loves, don't worry. The ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Okay. I won't leave you hanging like that. Trust me. And now we are just going to let this cook. And, you know, I know I've been away for quite a while, but had some things going on that could, you know, cause a lot of disruption. But you have to understand that life goes on and you can't stop doing you. So now, guys, I'm going to add some ginger. I love adding ginger to my food, especially my soups, because if it's a soup, it's healing, all that. And we're adding some garlic in here as well. The combination of garlic and ginger that's a beautiful marriage. Now I'm going to add my carrots in here. I'm going to add my celery. I'm going to add my onions. Let me tell you something. This base right here is the magic right here. The base of all that, those vegetables, is going to just lend their flavor to this dish, and the magic is just beginning. So now I'm going to cover it. I got it on medium heat. And guys, we are being sponsored today, well, I am, by Epic Water Filters. Wow. Okay, they were so nice to send me a pitcher with a filter. It holds about 150 gallons worth of water. Okay, and it's to definitely get rid of all those impurities, especially if you live in the city. I don't want to mention other cities, but okay, I'll go there, like New York City and a lot of other places that their water, especially tap water, might be a little questionable. And to have something like this is the best thing to have, because it will remove all those chemicals and toxins and all that bacteria that doesn't belong there. But we're going to get to that part. But I wanted to unbox this and show you this beautiful picture. I got this one and it has the bamboo. This is like a timer. So if you're one person, you could set it where you won't have to change it for 4 to 5 months. 2 people be 3 to 4 months. And a family of 2 to 3 is 2 to 3 months. That's when you would have to change it. And believe me, when you have a filter like this, not only you should be feeling good about yourself, it's the fact that you're also putting in nice, pure water into your system. Okay, so this part right here, this is the filter that it came with. Okay, and what I'm going to do, and oh yeah, this was also like a nano filter. Now these babies right here is what's going to give you that crisp, tasting, clean, just tasteless water. That's the way it should be. Okay, everything was so well packaged. Let's just put it like this. Epic Water Filters, they're dedicated, okay, to just revolutionizing this whole water filtration for your health consciousness, especially people that are very health conscious. And not only that, but this is something that's very easy to use. You don't have to feel intimidated by it, okay? The goal of this whole water filtration thing is to create a safe access, great tasting water. It doesn't even matter where you're located or your lifestyle, what have you. So right now, before I did that, do not clean this with soap and water, especially the water filtration. All right, but I had to just rinse it out with some water. And now, when I put it in that first bucket container on top, this is what's happening. Look at all that water. That water is being filtered of all the harsh chemicals that are in this, such as things that I've never heard of or can't even hardly pronounce, like trichloropropane, dichloropropane, baby, butadiene, oh my God, dichloropropene, dioxane. What in the world? Of course, arsenic, aluminum, asbestos, all that stuff. And a lot of these PFAs, microplastics, Oh my God. Lead. And guys, you know what's so funny? This is the kind of stuff that causes cancer. I believe if we rid of a lot of these things or minimize them, maybe it might minimize cancer or get rid of it completely. If we just follow these companies like Epic water filters to help maintain our health. It's so important. There's like over 2,000 chemicals, contaminants that go into your body when you drink waters from a lot of these places that are not filtered. So trust me, do you want all that you cannot pronounce in your system? Absolutely not. I'm even cooking with it, especially making my soup with it, because not only is soup good for you, but the base of it should be clean. Okay, just because you can't see it doesn't mean it's not there. Okay, and I don't want all that stuff I can't pronounce in my body. That's disgusting. It's not cute. And it's not, and I'm pretty sure those are the causes of us getting sick. Just to confirm, I'm even having my sister friend try it. Drink.
Drink it?
Yeah. Tell me, how does the water taste? I'm not getting your face.
So. And you had to fill it all the way up? Tastes pretty good.
All right.
Doesn't taste bad. Yeah, it tastes good.
All right.
It's not bad, but I probably need more water.
Loves, listen, this is eco-friendly. It removes any aftertastes and odors that you could find in water sometimes. Well, most of the time. And it has been tested independently across the board, across the globe, by laboratories and other testing companies. So if you look at this, my loves, this, you could time it as for how many people in your house, like I had mentioned earlier, and you could time it and it'll let you know when you should change your filter. My love, I would definitely suggest that you invest in this Epic water filtration system. Guys, on your first orders, if you look at the coupon code that I have left for you, you could get 15% off your first order by using my code JackCooksCoupon. And of course, the website for you to go to purchase this beautiful product. It's definitely worth the investment and you won't regret it. So my loves, remember all those remnants we had in when we were marinating our chicken and stuff? I don't throw none of that away. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take that water and I'm going to rinse off anything that was in the bowl because that's all that flavor. And we're adding our sofrito, our water, okay, that's been filtered by our Epic water filter system. I'm adding some of this leftover tomato salsa that I had left over. And all that's beautiful flavor. And you have to you got to learn how to use your flavors, honey. There's flavor everywhere. Okay, now we're going to chop up some plantains in this soup. Okay, I love plantains in my soup. I really do. I love plantains in my soup. It is absolutely delicious. Okay, and we are then going to add some potatoes as well. I'm putting my plantains and my potatoes in the pot. I took the chicken that was off the bone. I shredded. You can leave it with the bone. I'm adding my zucchini, my peas, my green beans, my spinach, all my veggies into this big pot of magic and love, baby. Okay, and we're going to cook that for an extra 10 minutes, okay? Because we want the dumplings as well to cook. I would say actually that's about 15 more minutes, okay? Because I'm gonna add the dumplings right now and pure magic. Okay, so we're gonna let that simmer on medium-low heat. And I'm also sneaking in some fettuccine. I need a little pasta, just a little bit, okay, just for that little extra something. And our soup is ready to be served. Guys, you could serve this with bread. You could have it with a little bit of white rice on the side. You could have it just like that. I hope you enjoyed this video, my love. Please leave me your comments. Try this recipe. And I need you to do 3 things for me, honey. That's so important. And that is eat, love, and pray. Until next time.